How to check your block number on iPhone. This can be done in 3 different ways. We're going to check through the phone call, through the phone, the iMessage, and the fixed time settings. So all this can be found inside the settings option. Tap on the settings option. Scroll down to the base of this page until you see this app. Now inside app, we are going to take it one after the other. The first thing we are going to take a look at is the Face ID. Then from the list here, tap on the F button here. Carefully tap on the F button. Now tap on FaceTime. Once you tap on FaceTime, scroll down to the base of this page. Then you see block contact. Tap on it. Now you can see that 3 numbers is blocked here. Now you can as well tap on add and add to the number or contact you've blocked here. Then that is how to check the block contacts using the FaceTime. The next one is tap back here. Then once you get to this app section, tap on iMessage. That is M. Tap on M from the alphabet here. Now under M, go ahead and tap on message. Once tap on message, scroll down to the base of this page. As well, you see block contacts. Tap on it. Once tap on block contact, you can see that you see the same number that we've accessed using the FaceTime is still the same number we are accessing using the iMessage. So you can tap on the add block contact as well and add more contacts to this. The last button on the list here is the phone. Tap on the P button. Once tap on the P button, it brings to this interface. Tap on the phone. Once tap on the phone, scroll down to the base of this page as well, where you see block contacts. Tap on it. Once tap on it, you have access to this. Then you'll be able to see the number of contacts you've blocked on your iPhone. You can tap on this button here to add, or you can tap on this edit button to remove or add. So that is all the simple process, guys, on how to fill the block or check the block number or contact on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.